What's going on, everybody? It's Call Me Mr. Sprint, and I'm here with Mr. Robert Hackle, leasing and insurance business. It's a pleasure to be with you today.
Same here, but you're the star here.
Well, thank you, sir, but we're here to talk about some big news and a big star, which is Sprint Complete. Tell me a little bit about it.
I'm so glad you're asking. Sprint Complete is really something where we go beyond insurance. You use insurance when you have a negative experience. We give you not only full protection for your phone, but we take care of when life happens to you every day.
So this is protection 2.0 for your devices. And something that really caught my eye, $29. When I saw that price, I was like, woo, what's that for?
You know, normally when you have like a high-priced phone, you pay $200 to replace a cracked screen. With Sprint Complete, for all smartphones, it's only $29.
It goes from $200 or sometimes even $300 to $29?
Correct.
I take a lot of videos. I am doing videos all the time, and I run out of storage a lot. How can Sprint Complete assist me in that area?
We have the Sprint Complete storage app. And with this app, you don't have to choose what videos or pictures you want to keep on your phone, but you can just transfer all pictures and videos in high resolution. And whenever you need them, you can put them back on your phone.
So we have all of our information being backed up unlimited, so we don't have to get rid of it anymore. But I'm more concerned about, as a customer, as a consumer, how safe is everything in my device?
And in today's world, like with all those hackers, you should be concerned, because our passwords can be hacked, and then your private information is no longer secure. With the Sprint Complete Security app, you will have now a tool where you can manage your passwords, and our live tech experts will help you restore your identity and your passwords.
It just keeps coming with value after value after value. And I'm just reading through the brochure. Sprint Complete is for the oops moments. The oops moments means that my phone dropped unexpectedly. How fast is the turnaround?
So if you really have to replace your device, or if it's lost and stolen, we can do that within a day.
One day.
Yes.
Now there's a saying out there in social media land that says, we're live, baby. So everyone likes that live interaction with, on a day-to-day basis. So is there a live tech expert that we can use on the go?
Yeah, do you wanna try it out right now?
Let's try it.
Okay, let's call.
No, hold on. How long is this gonna take?
Oh my God, 27 seconds.
Let's go. 27.
Equipment Protection Plus. My name is Amber. Am I speaking with Robert today?
Mind blown. I had a live person tell me exactly what was wrong with my phone, fix it immediately, and made sure that I was okay. Made sure they had my back before I left. As a customer, that would make me feel good. And now this is for personal and this is for business as well?
Of course. With a live tech expert, you have your IT guy in your pocket. No wait time, no IVR, and the live tech expert even called you with your name.
This is like a concierge on your phone. Whatever you need.
He or she can be a coach for your needs at home to simplify your life with technology. He or she can help you to figure out what are all the cool new features on your phone.
So with Sprint Complete on GST and RMS, what's the call to action for our sales professionals out there in Sprint?
Honestly, for 50 cents a day, every customer should have Sprint Complete.
Every customer.
Because this is the best insurance out there, which not only protects your device, but protects your entire connected life with all those memories and all those connections to your families and friends.
When life happens,
we got your back.
We got your back. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you put it on your phones. Robert, it was a pleasure being with you today.